And my sign language interpreter tonight is Philip Omondi. Now, as families celebrated Christmas, it was a different story for some who lost their loved ones in a Christmas dawn accident. 4 more people have died in a grisly road accident following a head-on collision involving a probox and a trailer at Kedowa area in Kericho County. The fatal accident comes barely 24 hours after the National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA, announced the death of at least 25 people due to road accidents in the last 2 days. Here's Gloria Milimu with more.
Fatalities due to road accidents have seemingly gripped Kenya by the throat. And as more blood continues to pour on the Kenyan roads and lives ending prematurely, more motorists have also seemingly thrown caution to the wind, catalyzing the growing number of deaths due to road accidents in the country. Barely 24 hours since the National Transport and Safety Authority (NTSA) raised the red flag over the fatalities in the last 2 days alone, 4 more people have added to that growing list of deaths due to road crashes in the country. A probox vehicle and a trailer were involved in a head-on collision at Kericho's Kedowa area in a 3 a.m. accident Thursday that saw 3 of the victims die on the spot and another while receiving treatment at a hospital in the county. It is alleged that drink driving may have contributed to the horrific crash.
Probox yenyewe ilikuwa na watu 7, lakini hao wengine 1 waliweza kukimbizwa hospitali ya Kericho. Hiyo ilikuwa mwendo wa saa 9:30 hivi. Na tunawapongeza askari wetu waliweza kufika hapa. Tulikuwa na hospitali mwenyewe na tuweza kukaa naye hadi mwendo wa saa 1:30 asubuhi.
Motorists have now been urged to exercise caution while on the road and adhere to traffic rules in order to curb the worrying trend, especially during this festive season when the roads are busy than usual.
Be careful when you are driving and make sure when you are driving you are also sober. Kama umekunywa pombe, wacha na steering ya gari. Ukae nyumbani, ulale, na hata wale wengine wale mko sober, ukiona mtu amelewa na anakifungua ya gari, chukua hiyo kifunguu, nyang'anya yeye ficha, wakati atasopa up, upatie kifunguu aende nyumbani.
Meanwhile, National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula has called on police and other authorities to rein in on reckless drivers in order to avert the rising cases of accidents on the roads. Speaking during the commemoration of Christmas Day at Holy Trinity Catholic Church in Webuye East constituency, Wetangula said the region had lost at least 16 people in 2 separate accidents in the past 2 weeks alone.
Tunaomba wale mko kwa barabara muwe waangalifu, tusiwe na ajali na kupoteza watu. Juzi tumepoteza familia moja, watu 12 kutoka hapa Chevaiwa.
He also called on motorists to observe traffic rules and prioritize safety, especially during this festive season. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Thank you for that report, Gloria. Now, Christians across the country converged in